Hello guys, welcome back to Move AutoCAD with AutoCAD 2D Modeling Practice Exercise number 29. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get a notification for our new tutorials. In these tutorials, I will create a 3D gas cylinder. You can see image here and you can get this reference image from our site moveazocad.com. Okay, we start now. Open your AutoCAD software and I will choose front view. We create line start from this point to the rack 46, move to the top 70, and then I will enter to finish. You can zoom, extend. We create a line again, start from this point to the left here 46 and enter. Use a violet command with radius 28. With multiple option. I will start from this corner point, and in this corner point enter again. We create line, start from this middle point to the left here, move this line object to the right about 1, and I will copy this line object to the top 2 and bottom here 2. We create line, start from this point to here, and use a trim command to cut this line object, and then this line object. Select this line and delete. Okay, I will join this all object and change into polyline. Okay, next I will create line, start from this point to the bottom 16, move to the right here 34, and move to the top here. Right click and enter. Use a rotate command. We rotate this line object, start from this point with 5 degree, and I will copy this line object to the right here about 1 point, and then we create line, start from this point to the left here, enter to finish. Use a trim command to cut this line object in here and in here, and I will join this all object, change into polyline. Okay, next I will create a line, start from this point to the top here 35, copy this line object to the right 32, and we copy again this line object to the left 1. Use the line command to connect this point to here, enter to finish, and I will extend this to line object. Okay, use a copy command. We copy this object to the right here, and I will trim this object. Okay, and I will delete this object. You can click here to delete and move this object, start from this point to this point, and use join command to join this all object into polyline. Okay, we already joined this object. I will create line, start from this point to the right 7, move to the top 2, and move to the left here about 4.5, move to the top 3. Next we'll create line, start from this point to the left 8, move from middle point here into this point. Okay, and I will create line, start from this point to the top 5. We create line from this point to the right here of 5, and move from a middle point here to this point. Okay, we create line, start from this point to the left here, and move to the top 2. We create line again with length about 4.7. Move this line object, start from this point into this point, and I will create line, start from here, connect to here, and move to the top here too. We create line, start from this point to the right here with length about 3.8. Move this line object, start from this point into this point, and I will create line, start from this point to the left, move to the top here 2.5, enter, and we create the last line, start from this point to the right 5, move this line object, start from this middle point into this point, and I will create line, start from this point to the top 1.5, and move to the left here at this point. Okay, I will use a trim command to cut this line object. Select this line object and delete, and I will join this all objects, change into polyline. Okay, use offset command with distance 1. I will select this object, move to the left here, and we create line, start from this point to the left here, and start from this point to the bottom here. Join again to combine this all object. Okay, we move this object, start from this point into this point, and next I will create line from this point with length about 30, move to the bottom 10, and to the left 30, close. I will violet with a radius 5, use multiple option from this corner point to this corner point, in here and the last in here. Use join command to join this all object and move this object, start from this middle point into this point, and move the last object to the bottom about 12, and enter. Okay, we create line again, start from this point to the right with length 33, move to the bottom 10, and move to the left here 33, close. I will create line, start from this point to the right 5 and move into this corner. Use a mirror command to mirror this line object, start from this point to the top, and then I will trim this line object and this line object. Select this 3 line object and delete. Use a violet command with radius 2. I will use multiple option. You can start from this corner point to here, in here, and the last in here. Use join command to join this all object. We move this object from this middle point into here, and move for the last object to the top about 2.5 and enter. Next, I will convert this 2D sketch into 3D model by using revolve command. You can tap revolve, select this object, enter, and start from this point to the top here with 360 degree and enter. Okay, I will orbit this object, and we extrude this object and this object to here. You can subtract this object with this object and enter. Change into top view and I will create line start from this center point to the bottom here. Copy this line object to the right 28, to the left 28, and I will change into realistic view. We change face trace into 10 point to make look more smooth, and I will slash this object start from this point to here. Okay, we slash again this object start from this point to the top here, and the last we slash this object start from this point to the right here, and enter. Select this object, delete, and select this three line object and delete. Okay, you can see the result here. I will change into to the wireframe, and I will use array command to copy this object by using a polar from this center point. Okay, you can change item here into 3 and then close array. We explode first this combine object, and we subtract this object with these 3 models. Enter to subtract. Okay, we change into left view. I will create a line start from this point to the left here. Move this line object to the top of 1, and we create lines start from this point to the top. Move this line object to the right 2. We create a line start from this point to the top. Move the last object to the left 10. Okay, and I will copy this line object to the left about 10 point, and I will union this all object. Next we slash this object from this point to the right here, enter. Slash again this object from this point to the bottom here, enter. Slash again this object start from this point to the bottom here, enter. And the last we slash this object start from this point to the bottom and enter. Okay, you can select this object and then select this line object, delete. I will create line start from this point to the bottom with 7, and to the right 20. Move to the top 7 and close. Use join command to join this all object, and I will file it with a radius 2. You can use a multiple option. We file it at this corner, in here, and the last in here. Enter. Move this object start from this point to this point, and move this object to the bottom about 15 and enter. Okay, you can orbit this drawing, and then extrude the last object to this point. Move the last object to this direction, and I will subtract this object with this object and enter. Okay, you can change into realistic view to view the object, and we already create this 3D gas cylinder. I will change into top view, and we create line start from this point to the left here. Use slash command to slash this object start from this point to the right here, enter, and I will select this object and this line object, delete. You can orbit this object, and I will file it with a radius 10, select cut this edge, and then select cut this edge, enter. Next, I will combine this all object by using a union command. You can select this object and select this object. Okay, start to combine. Change into top view, and I will correct the plane surf. Start from this point to here, and change into 2D wireframe. I will change into front view. Move this plane surf object to the bottom, and I will rotate this object. Change into realistic view, and I will apply material into this object. You can tap AirMatte to open material browser. Right click in global and duplicate. Click this material twice and choose image. I will use this image. You can apply into this object. Right click and assign to selection. Okay, I will change sample size here into 0.5. Close, and then use a spherical mapping. You can select this object and enter. Enter again to finish. I will change into metallic and glassiness into this point. Active reflectivity, change direct into this point. Close. We create a new material, global material duplicate. Click this material twice and choose image. I will use this image. Open. Okay, for sample size I will set about 25. Close. Select this object and assign this material. I will use reflectivity and change into metallic. Move glassiness into this point and direct into this point. I will use a thin color, change thin colors into this colors, and move this into this point. Okay, close and close here. I will change into front view and change into 2D wireframe. Okay, I will make a group for this all object and rotate this object. Start from this point with a copy option into this point and move this object to the top here. Okay, change into top view. Use a rotate command to rotate this object. Start from this point into this point. Move the last object to this point. I will use a camera. You can tap a camera. Start from this point to here with length 60. Exit and change into camera one view. Change into realistic. You can orbit to get the best view for rendering this 3D model. Okay, and then active full shadow. Choose high render. I will active environment and use a background into solid and change into white color. Okay, and exposure I will set into 9. Close, and we will try to render this object. You can click here and render. Okay, we're waiting for a rendering process until finish. It's about 10 level. We finished the rendering process, and I think it's enough today for AutoCAD 3D modeling practical exercise number 29, how to make a gas cylinder. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in AutoCAD 3D modeling practical exercise number 30.